Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. In today's video, we will be swapping out the belt on the Can-Am. First thing we're going to do is remove the plastics in the way. You can probably get away with not taking off the footwells, but it makes it easier to reach those bottom bolts if you do. Also, I was going to have to remove them for a future project anyways, so I did just that. Either way, removing the footwells is pretty easy. All you have to do is remove the 4 bolts that connect to the fenders, and the 6 bolts that hold down the footwell and the metal bits where your feet go at the bottom of the footwell. They can be a little tricky to reach, but with an extension, you'll get to them. Next thing we did was remove the drain plug to make sure there was no water in the belt box. You're probably wondering why I wouldn't know if there was water in the belt box. Well, that's because I wasn't driving my ATV when it burnt through the belt. So I really don't know what's in there. As you can tell, it was pretty dry. So now it's time to remove the cover. This is a 2012 Outlander 800R XMR. I know the R's are a little redundant. These are first gen Outlander XMRs, and their covers have 13 bolts on them. Nothing complicated about this. They have a hole for an Allen key, or you can use a socket to remove them. There's 13 of them. Just go around in a circle. Once those are off, you can remove the cover and you can look inside your CVT box. I'll let you guys enjoy some of the belt carnage. Now it's time to remove that broken belt. In order to do this, you will need a bolt. Either you buy from Can-Am or you go to your local hardware store and buy an 8mm bolt about 1.5 inches long. You put that bolt into the clutch and you tighten it until you can remove the belt. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now for what is by far the most difficult part of swapping out a belt. Choosing the right new belt. There are a ton of choices out there and a ton of opinions about which choice is the best one. I read some decent things on the internet about the Gates RedLine one, and that's what I went with. But a lot of people, they swear by the Maverick belt, and even more swear by the OEM one. So I don't know which one's the best one. I'll find out if this one's good enough. Installation is really not that complicated. It's exactly the same thing we did in the opposite order. As you guys may have noticed, this video was a bit longer than my normal videos, and that's because I'm testing slightly different formats since you guys seem to really enjoy the longer videos lately. I've also been getting a lot more requests for step-by-step style videos for maintenance items such as this, and I thought this would be a good one to test the waters on. As always though, if you enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.